Introducing Wastezon 2.0, the fast mobile application in Rwanda that helps you buy or sell quality and security vetted second-hand electronics. Sign up as a buyer or a seller and get instant access to a variety of electronics for sale. Once on Wastezon, choose your electronic of choice and add it to the cart. Each product uploaded goes through a vetting process by a team of experts before being accessible on the platform. For an even better price, both the vendor and the customer may bargain before any purchase. Wastezon 2.0 provides easy and convenient payment methods. You can track your delivery in real time and enjoy the post-purchase trial and warranty period. Finally, we keep it green. Every electronic product you purchase, you divert an average of 55 kgs of carbon emissions. Download the Wastezon 2.0 app today and help us create a waste-free world.